Deep inside the untouched heart of the jungle, far away from the noise of modern technology, lies a world of pure creativity. Most people see a forest as just trees and shadows, but for a master craftsman, it is a treasure trove of endless possibilities. Today we are witnessing something truly remarkable. Using only the raw materials provided by nature, a beautiful masterpiece is about to emerge from the wild. No blueprints, no power tools, just human hands and the spirit of the wilderness. The journey begins with the selection of the perfect timber. You cannot just pick any wood. You need to understand the strength, the flexibility, and the soul of the tree. Every branch is chosen with a specific purpose in mind. This is the art of bushcraft, a skill that requires patience and a deep respect for the environment. Notice how every cut is precise, even without metal nails. The craftsman uses ancient binding techniques to ensure the structure is as strong as any modern building. It is a delicate dance between man and nature. As we move deeper into the process, you can see the craft really taking shape. This isn't just about survival, it is about aesthetics. The way the vines are woven and the stones are placed shows a level of detail that is often lost in our fast-paced world. In the wilderness, you do not rush. You listen to the forest. Every vine used for lashing has to be soaked and stripped to ensure it holds tight. It is satisfying to watch the raw, jagged edges of the jungle become smooth, functional, and beautiful. This is what it means to truly create something from nothing. Now the final pieces are falling into place. The structure is nearly complete, and the result is breathtaking. It is a perfect blend of utility and art, standing as a testament to what we can achieve when we work with the earth rather than against it. There is a profound sense of peace in watching this, a reminder that the most beautiful things in life are often made from the simplest ingredients: wood, earth, and a bit of imagination. The final result is more than just a craft. It is a masterpiece of the wild. If this peaceful transformation inspired you today, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible journeys into the art of the wilderness. It helps our channel grow and brings more of these stories to light. What would you build if you were surrounded?